Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Tika T, and today we're gonna review a blow dryer. Yes, I'm not gonna show this, but here we're gonna open it. So here we go. Alright, y'all, because my hair needs washing so bad. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Coshare. Alright, do I need a knife for this, or I can just open it? Just try to open it. I don't feel like I need a knife. All right, bam. Look how, see how easy that was, y'all? Just bam. Okay. Open it up. Ooh, look at that, y'all. It looks so fancy. Styling with care. Okay, y'all can't see that, but all right, we're gonna pull it out. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Look how cool that looks. Wow, okay. Open it up. That off. Get that off. Here it is, y'all. Coshare Superflow 1 hair dryer. So, open this up. Use my nail. Oh, I can use my nail. Okay, here we go. This wraps so nice, y'all. Look how nice this wraps. All right. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Open it up. There we go, y'all. Superflow 1 hair dryer, Coshare. Look how fancy that looks, y'all. Okay. Ooh, look how fancy that look, y'all. And it smells good. I like weird smells, y'all. Leave me alone. All right. So this is what comes in the box. The blow dryer. And the ring. So, we're gonna put it together for y'all. I'm about to wash my hair real quick and then we're gonna use it. Y'all, I'm sorry. It smells. The packaging smells so good. Okay, it's English pear and freesia scent. There we go. Like, y'all, it smells so good. I'm sorry, y'all. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, hair is fully washed and detangled because, yeah, it's detangled. But here's a piece that goes to it. So this part holds this on. Bam. Sorry, y'all. Magnetic. There we go. Bam. So it has different settings on it. I was reading the instructions. So blue is going to be cool air, orange warm air, and then red hot air. So we're gonna test this out because, baby, I need my hair blow dried now. All right, so here's the buttons. Turn it on. It's already, woo. Look at that. Okay, so I don't want blue, so we're gonna make it red. Bam, 3 buttons, red. All right, you never know, y'all. Bam, all dry, and that was 4 minutes. Usually it takes me longer than that. Still combing it out, but it's completely dry, as you can see. That's why I'm about to put something in it because my hair is dry though. So as y'all can see, it didn't take me long to dry my hair completely. It took like 4 minutes, which is so much better than taking forever when I have to blow dry my hair, especially when I have a child and I got stuff to do. Like, wash it, get it done, that's it. So they also have different modes for different things. So the blue light, which is always on, it's going to be the low speed, and it's suitable for children, pets, or styling. So yes, you can blow dry your doggy, and I will be using this for my child because, baby, I'm trying to be done. The orange light, when the orange light is always on, it's medium speed, suitable for scenes with sufficient time. And then the red light is always on. It's high speed mode, suitable for quick drying scenes. And yes, I use the red, as y'all can see, because I don't like to blow dry my hair at all. I am very tender-headed, so I try to hurry up and do as much as I could. But I like this. It's pretty good. I recommend it, y'all. I will put the link. Actually, I'll put the website down below. You can also get it on Amazon as well. It's called the Coshare Flow Blow Dryer, and I recommend it. I like it. Coshare. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. And also, it's $139. It might be a little expensive, but it is worth it. Especially when you have stuff to do, and it's long lasting. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you for watching.